Once there was a holy man who lived in a forest. He lived there all alone in a small hut. He was a very kind and noble man. He always liked to help others. One night there came a terrible storm in the forest, followed by heavy rain. The holy man was busy in his work when he heard a knock at the door. He opened the door, and there stood before him a gentleman who spoke to him thus: "Sir, I am a hunter. I came to the forest to hunt, but because of this storm and the heavy rain, it is not possible for me to hunt. I cannot go back either. I am looking for shelter. I shall be grateful if you could let me spend the night here." The pious old man, without any hesitation, asked him to step in. He gave him a towel to dry himself. He then gave him a cup of hot milk to drink. The hunter looked around. It was a small hut with one small bed. Only one person could sleep on it. "Sir, this is a very small hut, and there is hardly room for two. How are we going to spend the night here? The two of us," said the hunter. The pious old man said, "You are very simple. True, this hut is small, very small indeed, but if one has the will, one can manage." The hunter was satisfied with this answer. He started drinking his milk. Another knock at the door, this time even louder. The pious old man opened the door. There was a farmer asking for shelter. "Sir, I am a farmer, but in this heavy rain, there isn't a thing that can I do. I can't even go home. Could you please give me shelter for the night?" The pious old man allowed the farmer to come in. He offered him a glass of milk. Now there were 3 men instead of 2 in that small hut. The farmer was surprised. He said, "Sir, this is a small room. You already have a guest. How are we going to spend the night in this small hut?" The pious old man told the farmer that in case they could not sleep, they could at least stand all night. The weather outside was becoming more harsh.